from one half to the makers that brought you. We are in the tube. Or whatever with the tube thing. We present Dog in a Tube! Yeah, sorry. You're jealous because it's a dog and it's in a tube.
Dog in a tube. He's a lovable puppy that loves to bite and loves to chase things. And he's gonna jump off. And later on, I'm gonna put dog on a bridge. Please. Ow! See? Ow! Hey! Help me! I get hurt! Now he present evil dog! Get away! The dog on tube has turned evil! Run! He's a zombie!
Zombie dog!
Smart enough to go downstairs. A dog with no sight!
Alright, I almost lost my batteries. Fantastic. Those are rechargeable batteries. Yeah, it's fascinating stuff.
Capture this dog. It's a huge bird. Yes, birdie!
Where?
A huge dog! Ah!
Holy crap, that thing is huge! Whoa, baby! Looks like we have a new topic for our video. Huge bird on a tree. Peach, come looking at me! Kaka! Peach, come here! I'm gonna take a picture and send it to my mom. Yeah, you can't see a single thing. Wait, hold on. He bit me and it hurt. What? He bit me and it hurt. Do you see? No. It's here.
Huh, what's this? Can I see a phone call?
No. He is trying to get up. Help him, Paige. I will leave my camera in an area where he will be very great. I'm too busy texting my mom. Should I actually film a good video? Say hi to my camera. Jenny's punk pop. Fascinating stuff. Did he say, oh, there it is. Yeah, that's right. He's a dog. Oh, he scratched himself. Yes, the dog bit me. See where he bit me? Yeah, I don't think so. Oh, look at him. He's right there. Yeah, there. You should be him. Leave me alone, Sam. How change that? Where's my microphone? I like the mic. Oh my god, he's pooping! God, pooping. Now his mother is cleaning up the food. Yeah, interesting.